Let me show you how we did this project from this to this. Let's go. My name is Yura. I'm general contractor from Russia and living in the United States. I'm working in the New York and Texas, and I do commercial renovation and design in New York and Texas. This is my first video in this channel, and I want to show you how construction and renovation actually works, like from design to finishes. And this is full breakdown of spa project in New York that I built from Texas. Let's go, guys. Chapter 1, how it started. I just got the 1,000 square feet space. This space has low ceilings, large windows facing a busy street, and a lot of problems. Outlets doesn't work, half of the electrics doesn't work, walls terrible, paint is terrible, floor is terrible, everything is damaged, everything needs to be replaced, because this place never be done the good renovation before. I just got the brief from my client. She wants to do this place much more beautiful because she wants when everybody will walk around this place from the street, will look at this day and night, look at this and have the wow effect. Like, oh my God, what's a beautiful innovation and what is this place? Just because this is free marketing and this is my main target. We just do the design and what we just got and what we will use. We will use the custom LED lights. Why LED? Because LED lights can work day and night, takes a low energy, and you will not take a lot of money for the energy bill. The demolition was one of the longest in my career, just because we did remove everything. Floor, walls, all drywalls, whole ceiling, a lot of electricals, a lot of lights. Oh my God, a lot of stuff. And now we got a lot of chows electricals on the ceiling, and we need starting to manage this. That electrical are terrible, just because half of electric lines just didn't work, and nobody don't know what is that. Like, what is this turn off or turn on, because my clients don't have the plan. Everything what we do in the week after the demolition, just walking inside the place and drawing the new electric map. After the 1 week, we just starting to prepare ceiling for the custom lights and do the little management the old electric lines. Floor is fine, but this is very old floor and this is very old building and this building can be moved. In this situation, just beton boards can secure the microcement in the future. We just did put the beton boards and we just put on the top after the beton boards self-leveling floor. This is 100 secured for the future. You can dance on this floor, you can do a lot of people on this floor, you can jump on this floor and move a lot of heavy stuff. Nothing will be happens, and this is why we just did use these solutions. After the floor, we just return to the ceiling because we will need remanagement the old HVAC pipes and cut the old electric lines what doesn't work and put the new electric lines. I remember we just got a lot of the ceiling work. I remember my head, I remember how my neck is dry, and it's terrible because really a lot of work from the ceiling. When we finally remanagement HVAC pipes, whole electric lines, and prepare everything for the custom LED lights, we starting to do the drywall. Drywall, this is my favorite part because it's no nervous and this is very easy for work. We just, everything what you need, just got your guys, and after 1 or 2 weeks, everything will be done. But we have just one part what absolutely is new for the United States, and this is the arch. Just because nobody do not prepare solutions for the custom arch lights and you can't find it, and everything what you can do, create your solution for your arch. And this is what I did. 1 week I just have a lot of experiments about how I can do this is biggest arch, and I find a lot of solutions. I did try a lot of solutions and I find the one the best. I just touch and do the frame with myself and it works. You can look at this. And next part, this is lightnings. Just because all LED lights will be have the custom designs, America don't have the solutions for this one, and everything we just did order from the China. I have a lot of guys who just prepare the nice checks for the custom LED lights from China. I just did order, and after 2 weeks matrix is ready in my place. And this is place starting looks beautiful. Like I little word about how it will looks, but when I turn on the lights, oh my god, it's beautiful. And if you have the question what the kind of LED strips you just did use, we use the high quality Destiny. The difference like you have a lot of more diodes per square feet. And even this is full coverage, no gaps. And finally we come into microcement and Limewash part. I don't know why, but everybody thinks all kind of paints, it's much more easiest things what you can do in renovation. No, absolutely no. Because with Limewash, you can't use a sprayer, you can't use the roller, everything what you can use, just brush. That's it, no more. Just the brush. Sometimes you can use the sponge, but it's the same things. This is really a lot of hard work. And finally we come into microcement. We will need to do microcement for the walls and for the floor. Let's go starting from the walls. I love the microcement. When I started to do the microcement, I just look at this and I started to think maybe let's go do the whole place in the microcement, but it will be late. We just already started to do the Limewash and last part just microcement. But okay, it's fine. In the future, if I will have the choice to do the whole place in microcement or in Limewash, every time I will choose the microcement is beautiful. I really love it. Texture feels like real stone. And guys, if you're thinking about doing the microcement or use the regular paint, guys, use the microcement. You will say me thank you. Okay. Microcement is good, but microcement for the floor, this is a little different kind of thing. You will need to do the nice preparation for the floor before you will put the microcement on the top, because putting the microcement, this is very tight layer, and if your floor will be little moving, your microcement will got the cracks. And this is why before we did beton boards and self-leveling floor and primer on the top. After this project, my clients do a lot of party inside this space with a lot of people, like in 1,000 square feet, sometimes come in 50, not 15, 50 people with DJ, with dancing, with a lot of harder stuff, and with this flooring, nothing happens, and this is good. And after all these parts, we have this. Very beautiful space. This is spa for hair removal. And how much you think cost of this project? Just push the pause in this video right now and write the comments how much you think, just because I want to look at this and because sometimes I'm thinking I do it very cheap. You did it? Okay, $64,000 for everything what you just look at this video. Everything with materials. What do you think about this? It's a lot of money or this is not a lot of money? Because sometimes people tell me this is very expensive. You understood? Like expensive work. I think this is not a lot of money, guys. That's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. Subscribe if you like it, and like it, please. Push the button subscribe. Thank you so much and see you in the next videos, guys. Bye.